So let's continue with some possessive pronouns, but this time with whose. Whose. Okay? So, you did previously on the last video, it's mine, it's yours, it's his, they're hers, they're ours, it's theirs. This time, we'll look at the question you will ask, the question. Okay, so have a look. We will say, for a question, whose bag is this? Or, whose bag is that? Or for plural, whose bags are those? Whose bags are those? Now, for the question, whose bag is this? Because it's an item, we will say it is or it's. It's Catherine's. Next question. Whose bag is that? Whose bag is that? Whose bag is that? It's Marlon's bag. It's Marlon's bag. Or, for plural, whose bags are these? They're the students' bags. They're the students' bags. Remember, for plural, pull an S as well. Okay? And one last one. Whose bags are those? Whose bags are those? They're the children's bags. They're the children's bags. Okay? So, in relation to the question, okay, to ask about whose is his, remember whose bag it is it? Okay, whose bag is that? Whose bag is this? Whose bags are these? Whose bags are these or those? Okay, see you in the next video.